Alright, so again, this is the 1999 Ford Explorer with the 4.0 liters engine. And for today, we are going to replace the rear fluid for this car. So that's the rear differential. So there is a code in here. I already took a picture. It's a 889 something, and also on the side for your verification. Alright, let's remove this number 13. Maybe let's start over here. Oh, yep. It's not that tight. What? I think this one. Alright. Alright. Just remove all the bolts. Alright. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, yeah. 10 bolts. Alright. Let's go up here. Right there, and I leave one bolt on the top. This one. Alright, now I don't know why it's so dark. Let's remove this cover using this scraper. Alright. Make sure that you add the pan underneath. Oh, come on. I guess you have to like get this all the way there. Oh, there we go. That's the oil right there. That's the oil. Yeah. Okay, now let's remove the bolt on the top. Here we go. Just okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh crap. What? Really? It's black now. See it? Okay, let's get close over here. See that? It's black. We're gonna leave that for a few minutes or even an hour. So all of the oil will go down. Then let's clean up this. Oh shit, look at that. I think this have been changed for a long period of time. Alright. Alright. Time for cleaning up. So I'm using brake cleaner. And razor blade. Alright. And also, I'm gonna sun it. I'm using 320 grit. Alright, now we are putting gasket maker using Permatex. Alright, let's put it on. minutes. Leave it like that for a few minutes. Now, next let's clean this one. Alright. Alright, so now it's already clean. And also make sure there's no oil on here, so that it will not gonna flow below. So look at now, it's clean and shiny. Now let's put on the cover. Alright, so that's the cover. So make sure, oops, no dirt inside. Okay. Alright, let's put it on. Okay, I want to put it this way. Make sure. So, holy smoke. Oh boy. We're gonna do this. Like this. Like that. It's slowly. And line it. There you go. Start with a couple of bolts. Alright. Uh-oh. Nice. Alright, so we already bought Lucas. This is what we are be using, 75W140. Actually on the Pro demand it says 3.10 liters. So I got only 2 liters. But there's one more that I'm going to put, the friction modifier. I'm just waiting for that from Amazon because they don't have right now in the dealership. If this is less, I'm gonna buy one more. And by the way, this is how much we get from the car. Alright guys, since I already replaced the rear wheel speed sensor, I think it's better if we use that as our fuel plug. So I'll be showing you where it is. Oh my god. Fuel plug. Right there. Fuel plug. Alright. So that's the differential cover. It's on the top. So that's your funnel. Come on, come on. That's it. Alright. Now let's put this Lucas. Alright. Uh-oh. Stood slowly. Alright, so what I did is like this. You see it? Oh, come on, man. So I put that right there, so I'll just leave it for a few minutes. And no drips now. Well, I didn't use the plug. Actually, there's a fill plug on the side. It's just that, look at that. Am I gonna use this one? It's easier for me, but you can use that too. The one behind this one. But again, now I'm gonna show you the pro demand, where I find the quantity of this, you know, gear oil. It's a 3.1 something. Alright, so we are here on my pro demand. So 1999 Ford Explorer 4.0 liters engine. So differential fluid capacity. So we are here in Explorer, Mountaineer. So rear it says 124, and over here we got 2.9 to 3.10 liters. And also over here, if equipped with 4.0 liters engine, 3.7 or 4.10 rear axle ratio. So that's the one. And also this, look at this number 2, add 4.6 to 1.77 ml friction modifier. So almost, let's put 150 ml, and then let's put 3.7 liters, I guess. So that's where I get my, you know, my fluid capacity. But again, when we remove the differential fluid, we only get 2 liters, so above 2 liters is fine. So again, this is how much we get from the car. Probably is 2.1 liters, and it's still running good. Alright, so we just finished putting the third one. So I bought one more, so 3 of this, so almost 3 liters. The smell too strong. Alright, so let's test drive the car. So I just put that's probably 2.9, because that's what I saw on our pro demand, 2.9 liters to 3.10. And by the way, I didn't already put the friction modifier, because I did the check inserts. The only differential only car that needs that modifier, the friction modifier, is the one that has this we call the LS, the limited slip differential gear. But I couldn't find any sign or anything in this car. I check you know, on that housing, I don't see any L or S something. So probably this is just the regular one. So I'm not gonna, I didn't put any friction modifier on this car. Let's just back up. Let's back up and test drive the car. So again, I just put 3 quarts. 3 quarts of 75 W140 GL5 or GL4 Lucas. I'm just gonna back it up. Hold on. Right, so that's the car. Before we test drive, let's just wanna see if there's a leak. Look at that, super dry. Nothing. Really dry. See that? Not even a bit. super dry. Perfect. Alright. Alright guys. Wow. It runs smooth. Nice. Alright, I guess that's it. So if you had any question about this video, just comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.